What's going on, guys? Zack the RI Chevy Guy here. As you've probably seen through the shorts I've been posting, I got the Camaro up and running again, so I'm going to be posting some videos in relation to that. Today I'm going to go over and show how to install these Lloyd floor mats and the anchors. I've seen a few people online ask for how to do it. So it comes with these little fasteners here. I'm going to go through and just show the process how to get that installed. So these are the mats that I picked up. Black with the red Z28 on there. Front and rear. This is how the mats are going to look once it's inside the car. You'll notice that each one, might be a little dark, but has these holes on each side so you can install the anchors right underneath. Just make sure the pedals are good for clearance there. We can get to installing. So what you'll do is, here's the anchor. This will go right into that hole that I just showed you there. Once that's in position, you make sure you got everything exactly where you want it. You'll notice there's a little screw on the bottom here. So after we get it in, we'll see where that lines up so we can poke the hole, and then we'll screw that in. Now you can take a marker and just mark where that is right on when you have it in place, and you know that's where you want to keep it. So make sure that's straight. The carpet all lines up where I want it to be. So now I can see that it's right there. I'm going to make a small mark. Just going to put the phone down. All right, so now I've made my mark. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slide the floor mat up. Take your screwdriver, put it right in that hole, and you're just going to push down just till you go through. Then from there, take your piece, find the hole that you just made, and you're going to thread that end right in. Now once we have that threaded in place, we're going to place the floor mat on the top. Make sure you get it under the pedals. And that'll line up with the hole as long as you did it just how you wanted it. And that fits right in there and anchors. And you're going to follow that for that side and then for the passenger side as well. Hope that helped. If you had any questions with installing these anchors for these Lloyd floor mats. So far, really impressed with the quality of them, much better than what I've had in the past with this. So nice thick material, non-sliding bottom, so I think we should be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos about how we got the car running. Thanks.